So we're in our preparation stage now. And so as we think about preparing for a meeting, there's a couple things you need to keep in mind. When you actually say, I need this meeting, the first thing you do is not set up the meeting. The first thing you need to do before you send anything out, build an agenda. What are the topics you want to cover in this agenda? It goes back to that idea of being very intentful with your time, thinking about the outcomes. To me, I like to focus on time boxing my agenda. Focus in on doing things like maybe setting aside 10 to 15 minute increments for each item on your agenda. Anything more than that, people might find themselves kind of drifting off, or you might start wandering off topic. Within your agenda, make sure you identify what's the outcome for each one of those topics. Yes, I want to present on something, but why am I presenting it? Again, am I information sharing? Am I trying to make a decision with this group? Am I trying to gather ideas? Be very explicit. And then also identify who's going to own that topic. Who's going to help drive that conversation? Even though you may be the facilitator, someone is presenting that topic, and your role is to help ensure that we hit that outcome and maintain that time box. Maybe you're using a tool like Confluence. Go in there, use the meeting agenda template that we have actually out there in the tool, and actually fill it out. What's the goal of the session? What are the topics we're going to cover? Who's going to talk about them? How long are we going to spend on those topics? It's imperative to make sure you have a good meeting by setting up an agenda that allows you to avoid any issues in terms of focus in that session.